In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website with Wix. To get started, head over to wix.com. If you don't already have an account, click Get Started or Sign Up. From there, enter your email and create a password, or sign up using your Google or Facebook account for a faster setup. If you already have an account, simply log in and continue. Once you're inside Wix, click Create New Site. At this stage, you'll be asked to choose between the Wix editor and the Studio editor. After that, Wix may ask whether you want to create your site with AI or without it. For this walkthrough, go ahead and skip that option so you can build the site manually and have full control over the layout. Next, answer the initial setup questions about the type of website you want to create, such as a portfolio, blog, or online store. This helps Wix personalize your backend dashboard so the tools and suggestions are more relevant to your goals. When your dashboard is ready, click Design Site in the top right corner. This will take you to the template section where you can browse through more than 2,000 professionally designed templates. Organized by industry. Take your time here and choose a layout that matches the overall look and style you want. Keep in mind that Wix does not let you switch templates later without rebuilding, so it's worth selecting carefully. Once you've found the one you want, click Edit to open it in the Wix site editor. Inside the editor, you will see that the page is built using stacked content blocks called sections. To manage pages, click Menus and Pages on the left toolbar. This is where you can add pages, like About or Contact, and also reorder your navigation menu. To add more content, click the plus icon on the left and choose Add a Section. Wix gives you pre-designed section layouts for things like testimonials, services, and hero banners, which can save a lot of time. If you want to change the order of your layout, hover over any section and use the arrows to move it up or down. To update text, click on any placeholder text and use Quick Edit. Or simply double-click and type your own content. You can also use the built-in AI text creator if you need help with headlines or body text. For images, click an existing image and choose Change Background or Image. You can upload your own media or use free stock photos from Wix's built-in library. If your site includes buttons, select any call to action button to edit its label and choose where it links, whether that's another page, an external website, or an anchor point on the same page. To add extra features, click the App Market icon on the left panel. From there, search for tools like Wix Bookings, Wix Stores, or Contact Forms, then click Add to Site to install them into your layout. Before publishing, click the mobile phone icon in the top toolbar to switch to mobile view. Adjust spacing, sizing, and visibility, so your site looks clean and easy to use on smaller screens without affecting the desktop version. Once you are happy with everything, click Publish in the top right corner. Your website will go live using a free Wix-branded URL. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.